Hi guys, welcome back again. So today is day 54 for the 100 days of DevOps series. So okay, here, and the lab title is Kubernetes share volumes. Alright, so let's go. So let me go to appdraw.com. It's clear. Okay, so let me copy this all given instruction first. Alright. Okay, so we'll read the given instruction carefully. We are working on an application that will be deployed on multiple containers. Within a port on Kubernetes cluster, there is a requirement to share a volume among the containers. So define a requirement, right? So to share the volume and to save some temporary data. So the Nautilus that obtained is developing a similar template to replicate that scenario. So below you can find more details about it. So we have the Kubernetes cluster. Yeah, so this is a Kubernetes cluster. Wait, that's taking it. Wait, what's wrong? Sorry. Okay, we have that Kubernetes cluster. KUB Kubernetes. So within this, we have the port. Within this port, we will run the different containers, maybe container 1, maybe container 2, maybe container 3. So this is a port. Alright, so this is a container. Okay. Okay, this is a container 2, and this is container 1. Okay, we can simply understand like this. Alright, so here we have to create a port. So port name is volume-share-nautilus. So before we create port, we need to write the port YAML file. So okay, let me copy this sentence and let me find the Google as usual. So how to create from the CentOS terminal. Okay, let me get this. So first of all, let me create with the Touch, or if you don't like to use Touch, you can use Fin editor. But let me create with the Touch, and we get this port name. But we have to create the YAML file first. That's why I will give YAML with the correct extension, and I will try to enter there. So okay, let me find like this. So here I will copy all of these things. Okay, alright. So and then I will try to enter this volume-share-nautilus file. So I will change into insert move, and I will paste all of these comments. Here API version is version 1, and the kind is port. So metadata is volume-share-nautilus. That's the correct name. Here volume-share-nautilus. Alright, so here volume name is volume share. You can get any name. So empty directory container name is. Alright, so now it is time we're thinking about for the container name. Okay, so we keep reading. So for the first container, we had to use image debian debian with the latest tag. So okay, so for the first container, so container name is, I have to get like this, volume dash container dash nautilus dash 1. So I will remove this wrong name, and okay, that's for the first container. All right, that's great. And then we go to the change the image name. So image name is debian and colon latest. So this is the image name. So okay, so container name should be like this, and we have to run a sleep command. So sleep command is for it so that it remains in running state. So you can do like that, maybe 10,000 seconds, or you can choose 3,600 seconds. So here we have to write this sleep command. So this is a sleep command, vim bash or vim ssh. So we don't need to change this, right? That's fine. Okay, so volume mount is here. Volume should be mount at this path. So path is, so volume mount name is volume share right here. That's fine. And mount path is, we need to give the correct name. So correct is vlog vlog temporary / vlog. Okay, now we go for the second container here. For the second container, we have to use debian latest tag again. So the same image name, right? So here also container name is image name is not CentOS latest, as that one is debian colon latest latest. And container name is here also volume dash container dash nautilus 2. So I will remove this one and I will give the correct name. Okay, we also have to run sleep command for this container to either. So here sleep command is vim bash and dash c and sleep 1000 seconds. Alright, so that's fine. So volume mount path is here, volume mount name is volume share. Here volume share, that's stay correct, but we had to change the mount path right here. So here is no nautilus 2. That one has to be like this. That's great. Okay, so we finished. So okay, so volume name should be volume share of the type emptyDir. So here for this requirement 4, we have to get this emptyDir for the volumes. Should be volume type. Yeah, for the volume type is emptyDir. Alright, so I will save it, escape and save it, w2. Okay, now it's time to create a port. So how do we create? So you can create with a qctl OK, and we apply -f, and we will give this YAML file to create the Kubernetes port. Alright, so we successfully created. So you can run k and get ports. So here you will see the port name, and here's status is running, and 7 seconds ago we created. Okay, so after creating the port, we had to execute into the first container. So how do we execute it? So how to how to execute Kubernetes first container. That is import from there from terminal. Let me find like that. We had to run with the vim bash. Alright, so I will run this command. So I will run this. So here port name is, we need to give the correct port name. So port name is here, I can copy from here. Alright, so and we have to run the first container, right? So I need to give the correct container name. So for that container name, I had to use -c. So container name is here, right here for the first container, volume-container-nautilus-1. Alright, so I will do space, c space, and then I will run with the vim bash. Okay, let me run this. Okay, so now we are in there, first container. So inside the container, you know, probably we have to do something that here we have to create a file. That file is test file, txt file. So name is blog. So we had to create a test file. So and then within the file, I have to write this string. Okay, so I will write that. So I will create with the echo. This is the easier ways. So I will get a string value, and then I have to keep the within this specific directory. So I will get this specific directory with the destination sign. Okay, and we need to give the correct file name. Correct file name is here, blog.txt file. So okay. So now you can check it out. Oh, so it's not correct. The comment is wrong because we need to give the correct directory. So maybe I need to end with a //. Okay, that's great. Is there something wrong? ls-la tmp block. I don't see any file. So let me check something's wrong. Sentence is correct, right? blog.txt. My sentence correct, right? What does it mean? The space between alright. Okay, I got it. Because I should not give space. That's one of the problems. Okay, I will run this again. So without space between the block and blog.txt. So now we create that. So now let me read that tmp and blog.blog.txt file. Alright, so now you will see this welcome to xFusionCorp industry. Alright, so we have to think about for the requirement says the file blog.txt should be present under the mount path here tmp cluster on the second container. So okay, so we exit from the first container. So we exit that. So now let me try to run the second container. Yeah, this. but I need to change the container name. Port name is the same, right? Because we are doing it in the same port, right? So we don't need to change that. So okay, let me change from 1 to 2, and let me run this. Okay, and then let me check this. Let me check with this comment. Do we see that the same file? ls. Oh, so you know, saying they are using share volume. So let me check and this. ls-la. Where do I need to face that? tmp. Okay, let me go there. tmp ls. Okay, cluster. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I had to give this file name. So now let me. Yeah, so you will see that here below.txt, because they use, a share volume. That's why you will also see that below.txt file in the container too. So here below.txt, so there will be the same string. Yeah, welcome to xFusion industry. All right, so thanks for watching. Oh, sorry. So let me check out the final step and click confirm. Yeah, that's it. So if I can do it, you can also do it too. But you need to consider this the specific directory name here for the step C. Here is the not tmp block. That will be tmp/cluster, not tmp/block. So we need to give the correct mount path when we check it out. So alright, so thanks for watching. See you in the next coming video, guys.